Let me be the first to remind you that there are several red flags in Nigeria real estate that you should watch out for. But today I will only talk about 10 red flags in Nigeria real estate you should watch out for as a potential buyers or investors. When considering investing in real estate in Nigeria, there are several red flags that a potential buyer or investors must be cautious about to avoid financial loss, legal issues, or other complications. Here are 10 red flags you should watch out for in Nigeria real estate transaction. 1. Fake land title and documents. This is one of the biggest risks in Nigeria real estate is encountering fake or fraudulent title and document. Fraudulent individual may present a document like the Certificate of Occupancy (COO), deed of assignment, or land sales agreement that are not legitimate. Always verify this document with the appropriate authorities such as the Land Bureau or the Ministry of Land where the property is located. Seek legal assistance to authenticate any documents and ensure they are valid. And is not registered or that the seller does not actually own it. This can result in legal battles down the road. Ensure the property has a property title deed registered with the appropriate land authorities and verify ownership status before purchasing it. Three, double selling on multiple claims. Sometimes sellers try to sell the same piece of land to multiple buyers, the homeowners, often by forging documents or by claiming ownership of the government acquired land. This situation can lead to a legal problem or especially if the land is under dispute. Conduct a property search at the land registry to confirm that the land is not sold to multiple parties. 4. No proper land survey. A land survey is essential to clearly demarcate the boundaries of a property. Without a valid survey, you end up purchasing land that encroaches on the neighboring plot, leading to disputes with adjacent landowners. Always request and verify a current land survey from a licensed surveyor before completing the transaction. 5. Unclear or complicated ownership history. If the ownership history of the property is complicated, uncleared, or riddled with multiple owners, the transaction could be risky. This is particularly true in cases where a family or group of individuals are involved in inheritance disputes or ownership rights. Ensure the seller has clear, undisputed ownership history and that all heirs or stakeholders are in agreement to sell. 6. Non-compliance with zoning laws. Zoning laws regulate how land can be used. If a property is located in a zone where its intended development, commercial, residential, etc. is not allowed, the buyer could face issue with the approval, permit, or even demolition of structures. Research local zoning laws and confirm that the property is in compliance with the intended use. 7. Land grabbing issues. Land grabbing is a common problem in some parts of Nigeria where individuals or groups forcibly take land from rightful owner. This can happen with or without government involvement, and it often results in the buyer losing both the land and their money. Verify the ownership and title at the local land registry and ensure the property is not subject to land grabbing or illegal occupation. 8. Seller's financial instability. If the seller has a financial instability, then there may be pending debts or liabilities tied to that property that could affect your ownership. For example, the property may be used as a collateral for loans or have unpaid taxes. Conduct a thorough background check on the seller and confirm that there are not outstanding financial obligations attached to the property. 9. Government acquisition or plan for acquisition. Some property may be located in areas earmarked for government projects, such as a road expansion, infrastructure development, or urban planning. In these cases, the government may acquire the property for public use, rendering it useless for the buyer. Verify with the Ministry of Land and Urban Development or the relevant local authority whether the property is part of any ongoing or planned government acquisition. 10. Absence of legal agreement or due diligence. Many real estate transactions in Nigeria are done without formal contract or due diligence, which can lead to misunderstandings or disputes later on. Without a property sale agreement, there is no legal protection if issues arise after the transaction. Always engage a qualified lawyer to draft a legally binding sales agreement and ensure due diligence is performed on the property. Finally, real estate in Nigeria can be lucrative, but it requires carefully due diligence and awareness of potential risk. Always engage legal professionals, verify documents, and ensure that you understand the full history and legal standing of any property before committing to a deal. By watching out for this red flag, you can safeguard yourself from common pitfalls and make more informed decisions. Hi, I am Oludare Zedas Adedoyin, the Muslimah millionaire realtor, the managing director at Etosmania Global Property Investment Limited. If you find this video educating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video and see you on the other side of prosperity. Bye for now.